Welcome to the Endotech and Daisy VIP account creation tutorial video. How to create your first Endotech account. The Endotech registration form is simple and easy to complete. Please ensure to input your first name, last name, country location, correct working telephone number, and email address. Once this is completed, please make certain to read and then mark the checkbox with regards to the risk disclosure warning notice on the registration page. Once you are confident that the information you have placed on the registration page is correct, please do proceed and click the green register button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! Your Endotech Daisy VIP account has now been registered. It is now time to view the new account and to make sure that our email address is verified for use. The page immediately in front of you will now be confirming the information used for registration. Please do look for the green box marked verify and click this box in order to verify the email that you have used for this account. Once the green verify button has been clicked, please do proceed immediately to your private email inbox and find the message sent from Endotech Systems in order to click and therefore verify this email and the account for long-term use. Connecting a new account to trading service. Once you are successfully logged in with your Endotech account credentials, simply look for your name at the top of the screen and click your name in order to navigate to the My Account page. Here on the My Account page, we have a menu on the left with an item marked My API Keys. Please click the API Key menu item. As soon as you are ready to proceed to full connection, please scroll to the bottom of the page to read and agree to the Endotech Crypto Portfolio License and Execution Agreement. Only those that agree to this execution agreement will be able to continue on the process of connecting the Endotech account to live trading strategy and delivery. Here at this stage, we are ready to select the type of Daisy system that we would like to connect at this time. There are two options under the menu item marked bot name. We have Daisy Alpha and Daisy Beta to choose from. At this time, services and full execution are only available exclusively via the Binance.com cryptocurrency trading exchange. The difference between Daisy Alpha and Daisy Beta is simple. The Daisy Alpha strategies have a higher risk in nature as they both trade long, short, and reversals, along with being funded and executed via the Binance Futures Trading Balance. The beta strategies are more conservative and they are funded and executed via the spot trading balances at the Binance Trading Exchange. Please make certain during the process of connection to pay attention to each item carefully before clicking next or proceeding to ensure that you will have the balance and the funds in the right part of the Binance account, along with, of course, connecting to the correct type of strategy that you are looking for. Here we can see on the Endotech page, we are requested to input the API key and API secret key. This, of course, must be done by copying and pasting the text of the API key and secret key directly from your Binance account into the Endotech page. Once you are confident that you have copy-pasted your API key and secret key with no extra spaces or characters, please do click the green button marked Next. As soon as you have clicked the Next button, you will now see a clean summary of the connection request, the type of strategy that you are connecting, the exchange that we will be using, along with your correct account balance for the Binance account that you are seeking to connect. At this stage, it is vital that you can see the correct amount of funds on the Endotech page with relation to your newly connected Binance account. If for any reason this amount has any difference between what you should have in the Binance account, then please do click the refresh button on the middle of the page in order to refresh the balance as seen by the Endotech pages. Once confirmed and ready to continue, please go down to the bottom of the page and click the button marked Next. We are now at the end of the process with just one step to complete in order to cement the new connection and ensure delivery of the strategy to our exchange account. It is here on the final confirmation page that we will have confirmed for us our trading balance in the connected crypto exchange account, along with the required 5% entry fee to join the program. This fee, once paid, provides 12 months of continual service and execution via the chosen DAISY strategy. Now ready to continue, you must select the type of coin that you would like to complete the entry fee to. The wallet address on screen, of course, must be used in order to send the entry fee to. And once this is complete, whether you send directly from the Binance exchange account or from an outside separate third-party wallet, please do ensure to input the transaction internal transfer number or TXID in the box required. This stage is vital with regards to confirming connection and cementing execution for your account to come. It is at this final stage that we will either see that everything has been done correctly and the connection has been established, or potentially that there may be an issue either with the API keys created, the settings of the API keys, or perhaps even a connectivity test failure to your connected account. Please do make sure to contact support@endotech.io for any related issues or further support required to complete the process. Congratulations and great success! Your first Endotech DAISY VIP connection has now been completed. It is now within your power to scale your use of the system indefinitely with further account creations and account connections.